In this clip, I will explain pivot table, analyzing data with pivot table. So first, let me explore the term pivot. What is the meaning of pivot? Pivot literally means the central point or the shaft. Shaft in Hindi it is called dhuri. Dhuri in a vehicle, the wheel is attached around the shaft on which it moves, and whole vehicle is moves and hence. So pivot means a shaft on which a mechanism turns or oscillates. So here pivot table is a powerful tool, or we can say that the pivot table is a powerful table for consolidating, summarizing, and presenting the data. Consolidate means to join things together. Hence, pivot table joins all the things, all the components of a table together. For example, as in given figure 2.15, here we have the employee of the various departments with along with various designation, and their salary has been displayed in the table. So as we can see that this table consists the information in mixed form. But in order to analyze the given table, the data on the basis of given table, we can separate all the employees on the basis of department as well as designation with their salary. So in order to analyze the data in the above said manner, we need to create a pivot table. However, we will create a pivot table during the lab, but here we will discuss the importance of pivot table. After creating the pivot table, just look at the figure 2.18. How is it displayed? We can see that in the figure 2.18, the department and designation of all the employees has been separated with their salary according to the department and designation, and their total salary is also displayed in the separate column. Means the salary of all the employees according to their department and designation are separated along with their total salaries. This is how the pivot table functions or works. You can analyze, you can feel the difference between table 2.15, in which all the employees with their departments and designation has been displayed. That is, in the table 2.15, the data in its in mixed form, but in table 2.18 it reveals more information. The figure 2.18 reveals the more information than figure 2.15. So this is the pivot table that enable us to analyze the different types of information. To understand it as well, we will do its lab during the lab period.